What's up everyone, you're watching Technology channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Play Store not working issue on Samsung Galaxy A22. So before starting video, if you're first time on channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So if you're facing Play Store not working issue on Samsung Galaxy A22, so to fix this issue, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.